Hey yo, this is Pokio Design Pro. Welcome to this episode. In this episode, we are simply going to learn how to model the roof patterns for our corrugated sheets. For this method is flexible. You can do any pattern that you want. You can have this. This is Super Echo. Then also these corrugated sheets. So I'm going to take you through step by step on how you can come up with this in Revit. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, as it helps me grow the channel, and at the same time to turn on your notifications for the daily updates. Let us dive into the design. I'll start with opening a new project. I'll come to new, browse, then default metric. I open project. I will say okay. Yes, so this is the project template. We are on level now, as per now. So to start with, I'm going to first sketch just a simple room. I'll come to the wall tool. The wall tool is right here. I'll simply click on it just once, then to bring this default wall. I can edit this. Let me duplicate. Now say okay, I'll not give it a name. So edit. I just want to change the material. I'll simply come drop down here. And I'm going to create a new material. Right click. I will name this as my white wall, white stucco wall. That is for the material. Then under appearance, I'll click here, come under appearance library, I double open, then I'll go under stucco, I double click, so I'll look for a white one. There's this last one, white. Then I'll simply activate it from here. I close off this, I apply under graphics, I make sure I tick render appearance, I apply, then okay. Then under the construction method, I'll use this rectangular method. I'll simply click on it, then come here. Let me have this just at 10 meters. 10 by 18 is okay. I'll go with that. Change this to fine. I highlight all the walls. I make sure they are connected to the second floor, that is level 2. Simply click on that. Next, I'll need a roof. I'll come to the roof tool. The roof tool is right here. Simply click on it. I'll say yes. Then I'll drop down. I'm going to choose any roof. Let me choose this first one. Then I'll come and edit type. I'll duplicate this. I'll call it my corrugated roof. Say okay. Then edit. I'm just going to need the finish and also the structure. So for this one, I'll delete this. I delete all these. So I'll remain with the finish and also the structure. So for the finish, I'll just give it 5. Then the structure, I'll give it 10. So let me change the material. Simply come drop here. I come create a new material. I'll rename this. I'll rename it as my sheet. Then under appearance, I'll come activate from here. Appearance library still. I'll double open. Then I come under roofings. Let me go with this metal slat, this black one. I'll activate it from there. Close off this. Under graphics, I'm going to tick render appearance. I apply. I say okay. Then for the structure, simply drop down. Let me go with this clad white. I say okay. Apply, then okay. So let me have this sketched from here. Then for the offset, I'll give this 600. Then I'll highlight all these edges and define the slope. Then I come, I give this maybe 10. Yeah, 10 is okay for the angle. I'll tick off this. So when I open in my 3D, this is what I change this to shaded. Yeah, this is what I have. So let me raise these walls a bit. I want to connect them. Let me first put 5 meters. I see. 5. Let me put it at 6. Yeah, I'll go with 6. And then I will match properties. Come under modify still. Click on the match property tool. I'll match this to this. Then also to this. Yes, so this is the house that we are going to model our corrugated sheets. So I can simply come, I just need to copy this roof up. So I can open either this back elevation, or I can just arrange this straight like that. And I come, click on my roof. I come to the copy tool, or I type CO on the keyboard. Simply click on this, come move it a little bit up. Yeah, I can leave it there for now, but I'll need to move it again more. Yeah, but that is okay. Then I'll select the corpse roof. Then I'll come here. I'll simply come, drop down. I'm going to select sloped glazing. So when I click under sloped glazing, I come and edit type. I'm going to duplicate this. I'll call it my sheet corrugated. I say okay. Then under construction, curtain panel, which is having none. We shall change this later. Then grid 1. For grid 1, I'm going to change this to fixed distance. So this is the distance or the width of our complete turn of our pattern for the corrugated. So I want that to be 150. Then grid 2. Grid 2 basically this is the length of our sheets. I'll come to fixed distance. They are always 10 feet. Let me give that 3 meters. That is 3000. That is okay. And for the millions, you don't need that. I'll come apply. I say okay. So I'm supposed to be able to see the pattern, but then this is down, so I have to move it up. So I'll come still after selecting it. I come to the move tool. I'll move it from here up to somewhere there so that I can see the patterns properly. Yeah, so after creating that, I will need to create the real curtain panel pattern. So after that, I'll need to create the family for the pattern. So I'll simply come under file, then I'll go to new, family, still in English. I'll double open, then I come to metric curtain wall panel. I'll click on that, open. Then after having this, these reference lines, actually this is the midpoint of the reference line. Then for this one, this is half this, but remember we gave out 150. So basically this can be 75. Change from here 75, so that we have our total width of 150. Yes, so I'll come to create. I'm going to create an extrusion. I'll first mark off the height. I'll give this 50. Yeah, I think 50 will work for us. Or 75. 75. No, let me go with 50. Then I'll come. I use this start end radius arc. I'll click on it. Now let me first get the midpoint of this. I think it's somewhere there. 35, 40. Yeah, and just go with that. Now come pick the start and radius arc. So I'm going to need, I'm just estimating, I'll need this curve, maybe at that, then for this, something like that. This, yeah, I think this will work. a guy with these lines. Then I come highlight both of them. I hold on to control. I come and mirror. I'll mirror this on this side. Then next I'll need to offset the thickness of our panel. I can go with 15. 15. Let me give this 5. Yeah, 5 will work. Then I close these loops. I join off this to this, and do the same to this. Then I use the align tool. This is the align tool, or you can simply type AL on the keyboard. Simply click on it, come align this to this, then I lock it. I'll do the same here. I align this to this point, then I simply lock it. Next, I'm going to assign material to this. I'll simply come here under material, I drop down. I'm going to create a new material. Right click, rename. I'll rename this as our sheet metal. And I come under appearance still. I double click on appearance library. Then I come under metals. I can choose metals or roofing still. Let me go under roofings so that I have the exact one which we had before. So roofings, yeah, it's right here. I'll activate this, close off this. I come under graphics. I make sure I tick the color for render appearance. I'll apply, then simply say OK. You can either save this family type, or you can just tick, then you load it in the project. You can save it, that is in case you're going to use it in other projects. So I can first take this, then come and open any elevation under the project browser. So I can go with the left elevation. I adjust this reference line to 3 meters. 3 meters. That was for the length of our sheet. So I'll come align this to this. I lock it. I can lock also this as well. This I lock it. Yeah, so I'm going to load it into the project. Simply come load it into my project. It is already there. So I can come under 3D. I select my sloped glazing sheet. Then I come and edit type. Where there is curtain panel still under construction, I'll just simply come change this to the family 1. Yeah, we didn't save it and give it a name, but is this one, family 1. Simply put on that, apply, then say OK. So when you zoom in closely, yeah, here now you can simply delete this roof. Yeah, but before that, since we are going to do also the echo one, let me first copy off this. You can select all. Let me select from 3D. Select all this, copy. I'll copy it somewhere there. So I'm going to delete off this roof of ours, the first one. Then I come here still, I'll delete off this one, the corrugated sheet panel. As you can see, it has really come out. Yeah, so basically that's how you can design this, or you can model this. Yeah, but you can use this very method for all kinds of sheets. Yeah, so let us try to do another one on this one. I'm just going to create a new pattern. So I'll come still under file. I go to new, family, then under English, I'm going to choose the metric curtain panel, which is this. I open. So I'll change this. For this one, let me make it 250. The total to be 250. So this will be 125. I hope so. 125. Then I'm going to come here and create. I'm going to create an extrusion. First get the height. The height still we can go with a 50 or even less. We can go with maybe 35. Let me give it 50 so that we are kind of uniform. 50, that. So I'll have this line drawn maybe up to 100. Then I curve this at some angle. You can go with 70 and right there. I'll delete off this, something like that. Then I'll mirror this. I'll select all of this. I come here. I'm going to mirror it. I mirror it on that side. Then I come and offset this to 5. Like that. Come close off this. Yeah, you can do any pattern that you want. Then you simply come up with this. So I come close off this. Then under material, I'm going to drop down, create a new material. Still under appearance library. Let me go under roofings. The roofing still. For this time round, I'll go with maybe this one. I activate it from there, close it. Then under graphics, for using render appearance, it will be this color. You can adjust, but this is okay. I apply. Then let me rename it here. It's called red sheet. I say okay. Apply. Okay. So I'll tick this. Come to an elevation. I think it is this one. This was 3 meters. And I'll come align this to this. Then I lock it. I'll do the same. I lock this. Yes, for these ones, let me lock them as well. I edit extrusion. I come to the line tool. I align this to this. I lock it. Align this to this. I lock it. Then I'll tick. I come to the view still here. It's still okay. I load it into the project. So I'm going to load it into project 1. I'll say okay. The next what I need to do, let me come to 3D. I think it is this one that we are changing. I'll simply come, click on this, edit type. I'll duplicate this. Let me leave it just like that. I'll say okay. Then I'm just going to change this to 250. Then the family type, I'll change this to this family 2 that we have created. I apply, then say okay. I'm going to delete type, replace panel. Yes, this is what we have. But then we realized it's flipped down. So we need to flip it up. Yeah, that was my intention. Yeah, this is supposed to be up, then the other one down. So I can simply come to my panel. I think it was this last one. Not that one. Yes, is this one. Click on it, edit extrusion. Let me mirror this. I'll mirror off that, delete this. And select this, come move it down. I'll move this somewhere there. And I come and lock it. Then I open an elevation after taking this. Yes, I think it is at 3 meters. I'm going to load it into the project. Then I'll override the existing one. So when I come under 3D, I should be able to see this flipped. Yeah, so this is what I had intended to do. Yeah, it has surely come out finally, and it's really looking nice. Yeah, so this is basically how you can model this and also model this in Revit. Yeah, thank you for watching this episode, and I hope you learned something. Yeah, watch out for more episodes in Revit, and please don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel as it helps me grow the channel, and at the same time to turn on your notifications for the daily updates. Thank you. Stay blessed.